Well, there's a new scientific technique for editing genetic material in plants or animals, potentially in humans, called CRISPR. And it's a cheaper and faster way to do it. So it's sped up the process of research for editing genes in living things. A scientist in China has just this week claimed to be the first to have used this process and used it with embryos, human embryos, that were then implanted in a mother who delivered the embryos as infants. There are some weird things about how he did this that have many scientists skeptical as to whether he's really done it or whether he's done it the way he said he has. In any case, he's received widespread criticism. Most scientists think this was premature, risky, and could give the whole concept a bad name that will make public opposition to it slow down the science and its potential for benefit. We don't know all the functions of all the genes in the human body. Some functions that we do know may have another function. Think of it as a word in a sentence that may appear somewhere else in the next paragraph. If you put in an edit that said drop this word, it wouldn't just drop it here, it might drop it someplace else that's important that we don't even know how it functions. Most people, if you could develop this without harms and it in a way that wasn't going to eliminate other important genes, most people would probably support it for therapeutic reasons to cure a disease, but the technology could ultimately be used to try to edit the genome in ways to enhance human beings, to enhance their intelligence, their athletic ability, their musical ability, any other kind of, quote, desirable characteristic you want to. Lots of people have reservations about selecting characteristics because they think it will turn childbearing and rearing into a more of a commodification type enterprise. Private clinics are reproductive assisting clinics. They'll use IVF and then they'll produce 10 embryos and let the couple pick the ones that don't have the disease that's killed other members of their family in the prior generation. That's already being done, and most people don't realize it.